Supersonic, give me gin and tonic. You can have it all, but how much do you want it? You'll make me laugh. Give me your autograph. Can I ride with you in your BMW? You can sail with me in my yellow submarine. You need to find out. No one's gonna tell you what I'm on about. You need to find a way for what you wanna say. But before tomorrow, when my friend said he'd take you home, he sits in a corner all alone. He lives under a waterfall, where nobody can see him, nobody can ever do him harm. Nobody can ever do him harm. You got to be yourself, 'cause you can't be no one else. Yeah, I know a girl called Elsa. She's into happy salsa. She sticks into a cane on a supersonic train, and she makes me laugh. So I got her autograph. Now she dies with the doctor on a helicopter. She's sniffing in the tissue, selling navigation, and she finds out no one's gonna tell her what I'm on about. She needs to find a way for what she wants to say.